Let's see where Colby is. There he is! In his toy chest. Wow! See, I'm surprised it took this long for you to get in there. What are you doing in there? Colby, what are you doing in there? Isn't that pretty funny? You think you're pretty cool, huh? Say, there's some things in there for you to do, huh? Hey, Colby, what are you doing in there? Just a more panoramic view to be able to see. Oh, are you shutting yourself in? Good job, honey. Yeah, it only goes so far until your head stops it, huh? Are you ready to come out? Are you ready to come out? Wow. Say, okay, we're going to see if maybe you want to get out. I have a feeling the answer is going to be no. Want me to help you out? Okay, we're going to go help Colby out. Say bye.